Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And yes, we have an audio which I will listen to right now. This is from Varanasi, S.S. Rajamouli's next project, and this audio is called Rana Kumbha. So this is Prithvi Raj's character's theme music or theme song for that matter. So not very long, it's just 1 minute 40 seconds. So let's listen to it right away. Aditya Iyengar. Okay, so it's a song.
Pralayam pralayam dushkruta valayam prabalam prachalam durdama nilayam asanipata ajasra prakaram timira loka samavakaram garchinchi.
I just want to start again because I like how it started. M.M. Keeravani, come on. It's gotta be good, right? I like that.
Pralayam pralayam dushkruta valayam prabalam prachalam durdama nilayam asanipata ajasra prakaram timira loka samavakaram garchinchi parjanyam ghorati ghora daurjanyam anavataram ataniveta pramadalata sayyata vibhatsam atani pratapam geetavaha samarapatapam adneyam agrahanetram angangram sangarakhetram asuram chaladgeetaram sakala jagannashakam sanchobham.
That's a villain theme. Yo.
Lost my burner phone, but that's a throwaway. Anything that I say, yeah. Yeah, stand up.
Oh, that was good. I love. That was good. I'm sure there's a longer version and they have just dropped this particular snippet. I would consider it as snippet because there has to be a longer version to this. But what I really loved is how this whole song, the musical piece actually builds up. Because this dun, 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 it just starts with that thuk, 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 thuk. And then na 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 na, and then it just builds up, and then you get that Rana Kumbha, Rana Kumbha. That was good. I like that. The rap is also very very nice. But they are gonna promote this film at a global stage. Like, it's not just the only within India the pan India promotions are going to happen. This is going to get promoted at a global stage. So why are there no subtitles? Huh? I have a complaint. Now this is a complaint. There has to be subtitles. Come on, if you want to reach global audience, please. Because see, I know this movie is going to get dubbed in various languages. So fine. If I am not able to understand and if I'm not able to get the subtitles, say for the Telugu lyrics, I can always listen to the Hindi version and understand it. But point is, where are the subtitles? There has to be subtitles here now, for God's sakes. And it's T-Series. It's on T-Series' channel. I mean, they should be doing it. Anyway, that's just a small gripe I have. That's just a small gripe. But in terms of song musicality, M.M. Keeravani, I know, oh my god, I cannot wait for everybody's themes, kind of like the full versions to drop. And it's too soon. I'm so glad because, see, they are still giving us material, right? They're still giving us material. I know we're not going to get anything in terms of visuals right now because there's huge work to be done in post production and all of that, and even I think the shooting for this is also not fully over. So that's fine. I mean, those things we can wait, and we will wait patiently because we need to see the final product as really, really good and not something half-baked. And SS Rajamouli is not going to give us half-baked stuff. That's what I believe. So this is good enough. I really enjoyed this. So yes, I cannot wait for the entire album actually to drop whenever it does. But this was great start. So yeah, that was my reaction to Ranakumbha. Love it. Love this theme. It's like very, very villainy, but also it hypes. You know, there is hype in this. And yeah, that was my reaction and those were my thoughts. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. With that, I will end this video here and I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.